Guys, in this video I will show you how to demonstrate a authentication foundation. So first, focus on basic security implementation features to implement user registration with input validation, login, meron siyang encrypted password, bicrypt or PHP password hash, login at request limiting Google reCAPTCHA, enroll based redirection, secure session management, basic dashboard access per role. So in this topic covered access control, input sanitation, boot protection, brute force prevention, and session control. So first I will show you the code. So ito yung login PHP code, no? So I use this one, Bootstrap, then the CSS, basic CSS, and then this one, the alert message, no? Kung success ba siya or fail. Then this is my Google reCAPTCHA. Yan, Google reCAPTCHA. So sa Google reCAPTCHA or sa boot protection, so boot protection defends a system from automated scripts that try to abuse functionality and methods includes. So yan yung ibig sabihin ng reCAPTCHA. Then sa registration process, so this is the reCAPTCHA. Yan, secret key, response is set. Yan. Then continue with the registration. Yan. So meron tayong confirmation check ito, and then yan, chine-check niya yung kung malakas ba yung nilagay natin or input password natin. Yan, insert new. Yan, then sa register. Yan, so meron din ulit tayong reCAPTCHA sa ating registration. Then basic CSS. Yan. So this is my so punta tayo dito sa session control. Yan. So session control is to maintain and secure user sessions, and it includes session timeout, no? Meron siyang session timeout, session regeneration, and then para ma-secure yung cookies natin, guys, no? Then this is my admin dashboard. So punta na tayo dun sa ating web system. Yan. So dito, yan. So search natin yung ating web system, localhost. Then yan. Yan. So first we will going to register admin. Yan. So admin, then your email, then the password, then confirm password, then click the reCAPTCHA. Yan. So register natin. Yan, meron na tayong admin. So first punta muna tayo sa database natin, sa page ay sa SAMP, no? Then the users, to yung role, bawin natin to. So gawin natin siyang admin. Yan. Yan, para maging admin siya, no? So yan, then yung vote, yan, yan, verify, and then yan, check siya. Yan, goodbye. Ulit. Bridge. So this is the bridge. Yan, verify, then oh no, mali pala ito, admin dapat, admin. So sorry guys, no. Yan, 30 lives. Yan. Next, stairs. Cars. Yan, cars. Yan, login. Oh shit. So this, yan, admin. Then, yan, captcha, yan, palm trees, yan, palm trees, then verify, yan, login. So this is our login. Then, so we will gonna create the student, no? So sa user, gawin naman tayo ng ating user, student. Yan, so email, yan, then password, yan. So motorcycles, no? Then yan, then yan, register, password do not match, and then again, student, yan. So motorcycles, yan, then register, yan. So meron na tayong student. So nakikita natin yung mga attempt nila, no? Attempt. Punta tayo dito. So sa login, yan. Kikita natin kung yung sa status, yung IP address, yung status nila, kung fail or success, at saka yung kung kailan sila nag-create, no? Then sa user, yung ID, mga yan. Then sa users, no? Yan, syempre, katulad dito sa access control, no? So kung gusto nating ilag tong student na to, we're gonna put 1, then enter. So try natin i-log in yung student. Yan. Student, bicycles. Yan. So, yan, your account is locked due to many failed login attempts. So please contact the number. So yan yung tinatawag nating access control, no? May permission yung depende sa admin yung permission niya kung papapasukin niya yung users, gano'n. Yan. Meron tayo, yan. Then so kung i-unlock naman natin guys, no, unlock, yan, yun lang, 0 lang yan, then magkaka 0. Yan. So, ma-unlock na siya guys, no? Yan. Yan. Then, sa student dashboard, yan. So, this is my basic admin dashboard, no? Yan. Ginamit natin siya ng role check for admin. Yan. Yan yung kanina, no? Then, DB connection, yan. This is my DB connection. Then, sa index, so gumamit ako ng bootstrap, and then yan, bootstrap din. Then recaptcha, yan. Meron tayong recaptcha, input validation, yan. Input yung i-validate niya yung mga identity or yung input ng user or yan, yung mga user. Yan. Then fetch user, yan. Verify, login, yan, check if the yan yung kanina, no? So nilock ko siya, yun. So verifying the password, no? So pag mag-fail, ma-fail or reset attempt siya, no? Session start, yan. The incorrect password, so lock account, no? Possible na ma-lock account yung ano. Yan yung ginamitan ko ng 1. Depende sa inyong admin. So that's all. Thank you guys.